So I've had a request to show how loading a bobbin works. So I have two machines. I'm going to show you on a front loading bobbin and a top loading bobbin machine, and also how to load your bobbin. So on a front loading, the piece comes off on the front and you're going to have to pull this little lever to get your bobbin case out. So I'm using black thread so you can kind of see it. Put the bobbin into your bobbin case with the thread going up. You're going to put it through this little notch on the side and then all the way around so that it is in that open little space right there. So I'm just showing you the same thing again. Your thread is going to be up and you're going to put it through the little side notch and then bring it all the way around that metal piece until it fits right into that little opening right there. Once you've done that, you're just going to go ahead and line up that little top arm with the notch that it goes in, and you will have to lift up the lever on the front of the bobbin case to lock it into place. Then you can close everything back up and put your machine back together, and then I'm going to show you how to pull your bobbin thread through. So holding your top thread, this is the thread that's going through your needle, you're going to use your hand crank down, and you can see right here, it pulls the black bobbin thread up through. You're just going to pull that and then put both threads under your presser foot and off to the side, and that's it. So you can see right here, I have a black bottom thread from my bobbin and a green top thread from my needle, and you're ready to sew. So this is the machine I use now. I'm just going to show you how to load a bobbin and then load it through with a top bobbin machine. I like to put my thread through the top of the little bobbin holder. I'm sure everybody does it different, but this is how I do it. I hold the thread and then I kind of guide the thread so that it doesn't get raveled around the top. When you put it on your machine, you're going to push your bobbin all the way over so that it is in like the loading mode. And then once your bobbin thread hits that little side white piece, you know it's full. So for a top loading bobbin case, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to have some thread out, put it in, and mine goes around this little silver piece. So it starts on one side and you pull it all the way around that little silver piece. Put your case lid back on and then do the same thing. So I'm holding my top thread that's through my needle, using my hand crank to grab the thread from underneath, and then pulling both threads under the presser foot and off to the side, and then you're ready to sew. I hope this helps.